Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to whiten your teeth without using anything other than toothpaste. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I have used many different teeth whitening methods, and for the most part, they all worked really well. They whitened my teeth, but most of them took me out of my comfort zone and made me use different methods and different products that I wouldn't regularly use on my teeth. So I figured that I would try and find a way to use only toothpaste to make your teeth whiter, and I found a method that works really well for myself. It involves 3 simple steps. The first step is to replace your toothbrush more often than you probably do, okay? Right now, I'm replacing my toothbrush once a month. That keeps the bristles working really, really well. I used to replace my toothbrush every 6 months sometimes, and it would be all frayed out, and every time I replaced it, I'd say, wow, it actually scrubs really well. So instead of waiting for it to be destroyed practically, replace your toothbrush every month. This way the bristles will scrub off all of that plaque and dirt from within your teeth. That's the first thing. Replace your toothbrush every month. This way it can allow the toothpaste to do a great job. The second thing is when you replace your toothbrush, get one with a medium thickness or medium intensity, if your gums can handle it. So when I went to replace my toothbrush, when I first started this teeth whitening process, I noticed that there were soft bristles, medium, and hard. And I couldn't handle a hard one. I tried it, my gums just couldn't handle it, okay? It was too intense for me. But I chose to get the medium toothbrush instead of the soft one. And let me tell you, it makes the world of a difference because your medium bristles will really scrub those teeth. So they're gonna act as whiteners within themselves, the medium bristles, because they're gonna really scrub the teeth. So that's the second thing. When you replace your toothbrush, if you can handle it, get the medium bristles, okay? The toothbrushes will probably be labeled soft, medium, hard, or with different levels of intensity. Go for one in the middle, because the soft ones will maybe make your gums feel a bit better, but they're not gonna do as good of a job at whitening. The third thing is what involves the toothpaste. So while the first two also involve the toothpaste when you're brushing your teeth, but the third thing involves manipulating how you use your toothpaste. Now, what we usually do, most people, at least from what I've seen and read and heard about, and what I used to do myself, I should say, is we brush our teeth with the toothpaste and then we rinse when we're done. Done, right? And you walk away. Now, what I've gotten into the habit of doing is putting toothpaste on my toothbrush, brushing my teeth, okay? When I'm done brushing my teeth, I spit out whatever toothpaste is in my mouth, and then there's still some toothpaste remaining on my teeth. I then let that toothpaste sit on my teeth for about another minute, and I don't swallow, I just stand there in front of the mirror for about a minute. I let the toothpaste sit on my teeth, okay? I don't swallow or anything, I just wait there. I get my toothbrush, I give it one last scrub really quickly, and then I spit and I rinse with water. And what that does is that extra minute of the toothpaste sitting on your teeth and that extra scrub is usually all that it takes to take your teeth from just regularly cleaning them to whitening them. When we brush our teeth regularly, we are cleaning them, we're not whitening them. But when you take that extra step, you usually end up taking your teeth to as white as they can be, okay? So I started using this method a few weeks ago. Once I replaced my toothbrush and I got a medium toothbrush and so forth, and within a few days I noticed that my teeth were significantly whiter than before, okay? They were as white as they've ever been, basically, even using all of the other methods that I've tried. So this method works really, really well. It only uses a toothbrush and toothpaste, which are things that you would regularly use. You just have to take the maintenance steps to make sure you're replacing your toothbrush, getting a medium intensity one if your gums can handle it, and taking an extra minute every morning and every night when you brush your teeth to just let that toothpaste sit on your teeth, that remaining toothpaste, sit on your teeth, scrub it one more time, and then rinse it out. It's an extra 2 minutes of your day, but it makes the world of a difference in how white your teeth can be. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.